हे सरकार जर्मनीतलो प्रकल्प हाडूंक सोदता जाल्यार ताणें हाडचे, पूण गोंया खातीर कंपोस्टिंग कोयरा प्रकल्पच योग्य आनी तो बरो चलता अशें मत फोमेंतो ग्रीनाचो सीईओ श्रीधर कामतीन उक्तायले. सगळे जाग्यार पडे मेरेन सोंसड्यार जमीन पुरोवपाचें काम बंद दवरतले, मात प्रकल्प चालू उरतलो अशें तांणी सांगलें.
अजून इंडिये भितर कंपोस्ट सोडून दुसरो खंयचोच प्रोजेक्ट सस्टेन जालो ना इतली गोष्ट. But I would say that my project is Shitkadi. For Goans it is Shitkadi. So if it is primitive, it is time tested. If somebody wants to import pizza and spaghetti, American chopsy, that is for rich people. हजारांनी वर्सांले आमचे आवय बापूय जेवत आसा and everybody is healthy because of that. Pizza and all is healthier for Goa. That is for people to decide.
सोंसड्यार कोयर प्रकल्पाच्या सुवातीन बेकायदेशीरपणान जमीन पुरोवपाचें काम चल्लां अशी कागाळ कांय थळाव्यांनी जिल्लोधिकाऱ्याकडेन केल्ली. ह्या कामा खातीर सगळी मान्यताय घेतल्या अशें फोमेंतो ग्रीनाचो सीईओ श्रीधर कामतीन सांगलें.
We have got all the possible permissions which have to be taken. We are stopping. I mean, the work has stopped already. We do not wish to start the till all these things are clear and till the authorities come positively to us ki baba okay you have got all the permission.
सोंसडो कोयर प्रकल्पाविशीं आपल्याक मडगांवची मुख्याधिकारी मातूय सहकार्य दिना असो आरोप श्रीधर कामतीन केलो.
The chief officer of Margao Municipal Council is totally not cooperating with the project also, not with me. Possibly either because of incompetency or because for obvious reasons. You are slipping over this, you are slipping over all the decisions and you are trying to bring the whole process to limbo.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रिपोर्टर समीर भट. धुळ्यार मैदानार शुक्रारा जाल्ली देंपो क्लब आनी मोहन बागान मदली आय लीग मॅच बादाबाद उरली. दोनूय पंगडांक गोल मारपाक अपेस आयले. दोनूय पंगडांक 1 गुण मेळिल्ल्यान देंपोचे आतां 7 मॅचींतल्यान 7 गुण जाल्यात. मोहन बागानाचे 9 गुण जाल्यात.
Billy Mehmet heads back, but wasted chance. Quick build up and total wasted chance. Debabrata Roy. First time ball in and Billy Mehmet gets there. Pranoy Holder. Again an under-23 international. Lovely play here by Billy Mehmet and Shovi Ghosh.
What's wrong with her? In here.
On the break, Mohun Bagan once more. Cross to the far post. Good through ball to Clifford Miranda. And a crisp hit, lovely shot over there. Delightful shot by Peter Carvalho. One of the best attempts by Dempo. Honda, the defenders have gone up to the far post. Miranda with this corner kick from the far side. Goes again and that's a lovely goal. And it's just saved. So near and yet so far.
इतलें खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.